How to create a Bilty in 2 minutes. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Click on Bilty. Now, click on the plus icon to create a new entry. Start by filling in the basic details. Type the dispatch city name. Then, enter the destination city name. Get the autofill details by the consignor's name. Get the autofill details by the consignee's name. Once done, click on Save and Continue. Step 2. Now fill in the material details. Click the plus icon to add new material. Get the specific HSN code autofilled with material name. Now, add the packaging type. Select the type from the drop-down. Enter the number of articles. Then add the actual weight. And charge weight. Select the charge rate. If it's a fixed rate, check the check mark box. Then, enter the rate. To add more items, click Add Material again. Now, input the invoice number. And the invoice date. Then, enter the AV bill number. Click on Save and Continue. Step 3. Now fill in vehicle details. Click the plus icon to add a new truck number. Get the autofill details by the truck number. Select the load type from the drop-down. Choose the vehicle hiring charge type. Enter the hiring charge. And vehicle commission charge. Click the plus icon to add driver name. Get the autofilled contact details by driver's name. Add the driver's license number. Then click Save and Continue. Step 4. Now fill in freight details. Select the payment status. Add loading, unloading charges. Add Kanta charge. And other charges. Add GST rate. Choose the applicable GST rate. Add GST pay by. Then select who is paying the GST. Add the payment method. Then select the payment method. And enter the advance paid amount. Click on Save and Continue. Step 5. Now fill in insurance details. Add consignment insurance. Add the risk type. Then choose the risk type. Add mode of transport. Select the mode of transport. And enter any detention charges. Add detention charge type. Then specify the detention charge type. Then add any other remarks. Finally, click Add Bilty to complete the process. Bilty added successfully. Now click on the 3 dots for more features. Click on View Details to check the Bilty. Here is a detailed view of Bilty. Now click on Preview to view the printed format of the Bilty. Here is the preview of the printed format of the Bilty. Now click on Download to get the Bilty in PDF format. Select the Bilty copies you want to download: driver, consignor, consignee, or file copy. Then tap Download to proceed. Your Bilty PDF has been downloaded successfully. You can find it in your notification bar or file manager. Here is the downloaded Bilty with all selected copies in printable format. You can now share or print as needed. Now click on Share to share the Bilty anytime, anywhere. Select your contact and send the Bilty as a PDF directly. Share Bilty easily with MyBilty. Click on Edit to edit your Bilty easily. Click on Edit to make the required changes and click on Update Bilty. काम हो स्मार्ट MyBilty के साथ.